Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how to fix, how to repair, how to remove any kind of the error, files, yes, especially from any iOS of any Apple device. Yes, by mistakenly or due to virus or due to some other reason, if your iOS has been damaged in your Apple device, so in that situation, how you will go for fix it, how you will go for repair it, and how you will go for update of that. So as we know that the symbol for damaging, yeah, of course the error on your iOS in Apple device is Apple device screen, finally it's going to become white color totally. So in that situation, what you have to do, firstly you have to install, yes, iTune in your PC or laptop and connect your data cable from yes device to PC, and yes, just hold the home button and press on a button. So it will come in a DFO mode, and after yes achieving having DFO mode, then open your iTunes. So see guys, this is my iTunes now. Update message came here. Now I will go for here, just cut it. Now see, when I go for here update, when directly I will click, this is iPhone 6 my dear, and this is a serial number, and it's coming white color on my screen of iPhone device. So I'm going to fix it at the moment. So here see, just I will go for update. When I will click update, it will start to start. But first of all, if you are going to do, so in that situation what will happen, it will start to firstly download this iOS on your yes iTunes. Then you will be able to directly yes go for update access here. So now for video become yes, if actually why I couldn't show you actually downloading here, because of video will be lengthy, that's why actually I decide to download firstly, and after downloading I decide to show you that how you will go for fix here just to repair of your iOS. So see, just I will go for update now. So it will ask you, yes, iTunes will update your iOS to whatever according to reading your iOS in your Apple device to iTunes. So it will show you here, so 12.3.1, and it will verify update with Apple ID. So just I will go for update now. So it has just started to extract my dear. Now this is a way, yes, but if I hadn't downloaded here this iTunes beta iOS 12.3.1, then firstly it will start to download here. One circle will be of course symbol here to download, for downloading, and that symbol especially of course when it complete, then it will show you to extract the software. So now at the moment see, it's extracting the software. So this is a way of course to repair, to fix any iOS in any Apple device especially, and of course any flaws, error, the viruses, of course if it has attacked or damaged your iOS in any Apple device, then easily you will be able to fix it for permanently. So now see, it's extracting guys. It will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes. So at the moment, yes, I will go for pause it, then I will show you yes whole restoring as well as the repairing of iOS. So what I will do here, just I will go for pause now. So So guys, see, almost done. I have messages are coming here. It will be dismissed in 10 seconds approximately. So let's see what will happen. Now see, my phone has started to restore new on iOS. So this is my iTunes here. Now there is no any iOS, but it will show you. Now see, now see guys here. Now once again I will see, just I will remove it. Now see symbol here, it has finally, yes, restored. See, and this is a iOS beta. So finally it has reflected to enter your screen password as well as your cloud activations logs. So if you are using a one iTunes, yes, in your PC and one device of iPhone, so it will not ask you to enter iCloud activations ID. Just you can go for restore, and after restoring directly you will be able to enter your screen password, and then yes, you will be able to use your cell phone once again. That was in a previous similar. So this is all about in this video tutorials, and this is a strategy how you will fix, how you will go for repair, and how you will go for remove the any kind of something, especially flaws the error, yes, files the error, and any other kind of the other reason if your iOS has been damaged due to that. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you, have a great time.